Close those eyes.
Why do I have to close my
Do
eyes?
it.
Yeah, they're closed.
Tighter.
Yes, sir.
No peeking.
All right.
Rico. Hey. Open that hat. Fire in the hole. Shoot. Shoot like you mean it. Savor it. It's hungry, blood. This is Paris steak. I love it. I love it. The kitty loves the fishy.
Well, I propose toast. Now, he may be a pain in the butt at times, and trust me, I know. But this cat proved to me without a doubt that his heart is bigger than his stomach. To Alex. To Alex!
Enough, stop it!
Well, what do you guys think? Should we head back to New York?
I don't know, Marty. I mean, this is your dream. You sure you want to leave?
I don't care where we are. As long as we're together, it doesn't matter to me.
Well, in that case... Yo, Rico! I'll take 300 orders! To go!
Hey. Yes. But before you leave, I have an announcement to make. So shut up, everyone, please. Thank you. After much deep and profound brain things inside my head, I have decided to thank you for bringing peace to our home and to make you feel good. I'm going to give you this lovely parting gift.
No, I couldn't. Really, I can't take your crown.
That's okay. I've got a bigger crown. It's got a gecko on it. Look at them shake. Go, Stevie, go.
Bye, little fuzz buckets!
Bye, everybody!
Okay, bye-bye now. Bye-bye. See you later, crocodile. Maurice, my arm is tired. Wave it for me. Faster, you naughty little monkey.
You know, by the time we get back to New York, it's going to be the middle of winter. So I was just thinking, why rush? Maybe we could make a few side stops along the way.
Maybe Paris.
Woo, you just read my mind.
Maybe Spain.
Yeah, come with the bull.
What about Fiji?
Ooh, Canada, can we? Cheap meds, huh?
You know, I wouldn't even mind coming back here for a visit sometime.
Yeah, I can do that.
You can say that.
Skipper,